So Imdex traditionally is a company that has been in exploration. Recently, and probably in the last 4 or 5 years, Imdex have recognised that their technologies can be applied to the mining production world.
We've got a new piece of equipment. BlastDog is an autonomous robotic machine that has multiple sensors to provide accurate understanding of what is underground. We can run one probe down a hole and get multiple data sets at one time and upload that to cloud and get that data to the client in near real time.
BlastDog's been a development journey for the past several years. We are what we call a commercial prototype phase. So Imdex were interested in solving a problem around how we're going to support the product.
As we progress and we get more and more dogs out there working, we're going to need more and more people. We don't have capacity to train each of those people around the globe in person. Hindsite is going to be the tool that we're going to use to visually show people how this thing works. By having Hindsite, you can watch a video of how a task's done. You can have an operator walking you through, speaking to you about how to do the task, giving you tips on how to do the task.
So using those micro learnings to pass that knowledge to the group, especially from the core experts at the moment to the group, the regions that are learning it. 100% we are in a mode where we've embraced it. I think one of the significant stories is Chile. In bringing our Spanish speakers on board, they've totally embraced it. So us being able to post videos in Australia for a particular problem they're having, and for them to be able to consume it the next day is fantastic.
Especially for a new operator who they come across a problem, rather than sort of make phone calls and read procedures and get really bogged down in the situation, they can see a QR code and put their phone up. It'll take them to the Hindsite page for that particular problem, and they can watch a video with audio, with subtitles, walking them through how to do that task, telling you the tools that are required, the steps required, and see it being done exactly as what's facing them in front of them. To have the tool available early on in the piece for that is going to be just exceptional. I would have no objections in recommending the Hindsite product to anyone in any industry really, especially where you've got operations that are spread either across a state or across a country or globally. We want to become part of the mine. We want to become something that miners require to make the best decisions. To think in 5 years, how many BlastDogs are going to be around the world is really exciting.